delta modulation and demodulation. So here we have the signal source, that is the input signal AF signal generator, synchronous clock generator, AF output, DM output, clock input, and here is the D2A output, and this is the filter or amplifier means demodulator output. So first of all we will check whether this signal is coming or not and this signal is coming or not. After getting these two, put this one in channel 1 and again connect this also as input here, and clock is also input here. Now connect the DM output in channel 2. We will compare AF and DM output. Then we will compare DM and D2A output. Whenever the DM is high, we need to get the incremented signal for D2A, and whenever DM is 0, we need to get the decremented signal. So likewise we will observe. Then we will observe the demodulated output or filter output, that is the AF output. So connected the input in channel 1, positive to positive, ground here I have connected. Next I am going to switch on this. So I am getting this one. If I increase the amplitude, I am getting like this. So channel 1, so channel 1. So this is the AF signal. If we put in channel 1, we will get correctly. Okay. So this is the AF output. We can increase the amplitude and decrease the amplitude. We can increase the amplitude or decrease the amplitude. We are getting AF signal. Now I am removing this connection. I will put here to observe the clock. Clock also we are getting. Previously it is low frequency signal. Now it is high frequency signal. That's why we need to change the time per division. See here. This is the clock signal. Clock also we are getting correctly. Okay. So note down the amplitude and time period of this one, and amplitude and time period of the AF signal also. Previously we have connected. Now switch off this kit and connect the inputs to modulator. Okay. See here, data. This is one channel in the channel 1 and connected to modulator input also. Next clock input is also connected here. Next channel 2, we are observing the DM output, delta modulator output. So first of all I need to go for dual mode. See, whenever we have the incremented in the amplitude, we will get DM as 1. Whenever we have the decrement in the amplitude, we will get symbol 0. Or you can take this one as positive and this one. For positive cycle we are getting 1s, for negative cycles we are getting 0s. Okay. This is the DM output. These are the ones and these are the zeros. Now we can compare it with the D2A. So I am removing this DM connection. I am going to check for the D2A. See here, whenever it is in incremental mode, we are getting the spikes in incremental order. Whenever it is in decrement mode, we are getting the decremental mode order. And here this phase shift will be there. Okay, D2A. And we need to note down for one cycle how many quantization levels we are getting. That we need to note down clearly. So now to get clear picture, so I can connect DM in one channel, D2A in other channel. See here, whenever we are incrementing, the DM output is 1. Whenever D2A is decrementing, this is going to off. Those connection is there. Whenever it is decrementing, we will get the DM output as 0. So now for one cycle, how many quantization levels we are getting? Positive as well as negative. That we need to note down for one cycle of the AF signal. So likewise we need to get the clear idea. That's why we need to compare with the AF signal as well as D2A and DM. Compare these three by putting two channels at a time and note down the amplitude and time period and how many number of levels we have in D2A. So DM is also easy to note down, but D2A is somewhat difficult, so we need to concentrate on this D2A. So how many quantization levels we are getting for one cycle. If you note down for 1.5 cycle, then it will get the clear idea. Okay, this is about the delta modulator. Now I am going to check the demodulation, that is AF output. So just connected here, see, we are getting the output. See, previously it is DM, so I can connect here AF signal source. Now see here, we are getting the 180 degrees phase shift here. So if you switch on this trigger pulse, we are going to get the correct output. So this phase shift we can neglect. Okay, so this is the demodulator of the, see, if I am increasing the amplitude, we need to put correct level of the amplitude of the input signal, then we will get the correct signal. So why here it is blinking, don't know. Demodulation, modulation, demodulation. Okay, dual. If you feel this video is useful, like the video. Thank you so much for watching.